There's so many volume boosters out there, and it's only a matter of time that you install every single one of them. So we'll be taking a look at one with a simple UI right here, and the name of this one is this one here. I came across this one here. It's Volume Up Volume Booster from the makers of HU2DI. Now, of course, as always, the free version will have ads playing, and when you open it up for the very first time, you will either see an ad down here or perhaps one that will play. That'll take you through the prompts and all that stuff here. But we are here to test it out to see whether or not if it actually boosts the audio, right? So it's a simple user interface here. This is the base volume of your phone, so 100% max, and the boost gives you up to 60%. So you're kind of playing it safe here, all right? There are some other settings here, volume control here. That's when the ads are gonna kick in, so and you can easily close it out. All right, you got some system settings here as well if you want to work with that. And these are all part of the free version. And then the system here will give you these here. So I just thought I might show you all of this here. And now we're gonna go ahead and play a song and max out the boost to see how much of a difference it makes. So with the simple interface, we're gonna max it out here, adjust your volume. We'll go ahead now, 100% bass volume. And now with the boost here, so. Do you hear a difference? It's barely noticeable, okay? So the boost, all right, so I barely noticed anything, so there's plenty more out there, don't worry guys, we'll test it some more. But hey, try it out for yourself and maybe it might work different from you or for you or like and sub.